Boeing forecasts demand for 2,300 new airplanes in India.
India in the next 20 years will need 2,300 airplanes, and the value of that will be $320 billion US dollars. About 84% of that will be the airplanes that are flying in India a lot, which is the Boeing 737, the MAX now, and the A320s. And remaining 16% will be the wide-body airplanes like the Dreamliner, which is behind us, and the 777s, which have been flying in India for a long time, which is traditionally for the long-haul markets.
IRCTC partners with Bharti AXA General Insurance to provide free-of-cost travel insurance to customers on booking air tickets on IRCTC website. Zen Cruises launches India's premier cruise line, Jalesh.
Jalesh cruises will arrive in Mumbai April 17th. It's a beautiful vessel. She can carry up to 1,900 guests and will have 680 fantastic crew on board, which about 65% of them will be most likely from India, and the rest will be international. After arriving in India, it will be the first couple of months sailing from Mumbai to Goa, a couple of high sea sailings, and then just before the rainy season starts, the monsoon season, the ship will make its way all the way down to the south. It's going to spend a few sailings in the east and then will work its way down all the way back to Singapore. Hopefully around September, mid-September, the ship will come back to Mumbai.
SpiceJet to launch 12 new non-stop flights from 20th January 2019.